Hello, right, I have been busy and I've been tinkering. Sorry about the noise, windows open, it's really warm. Messing around with my pencil soldering iron, pine power system which is there, a £5 PIR sensor from Poundland, I know, £5 Poundland, yeah. Comes with LEDs though, so yeah, whatever, play with them. So, I've modified it. So right now, it uses, right now the PIR sensor here will trigger these NeoPixels, which I got from Adafruit. These are official Adafruit NeoPixels. I spent money on them. And let me just move these out of the way. I've noticed they're almost touching. That's better. This little black board is an Tiny 85. And I've got one, there you go, a bit closer for you to see. One of those. Let's get it in shot, there we go. 90p these boards cost, and they're Arduino compatible to a degree, you know, not the same pinout, but they run the same software. I love them. I built robots with them. Great, 90p, brilliant. I've got it connected to this, so this triggers when it goes dark and it detects movement. When it goes dark, detects movement, it will trigger the Tiny 85 to turn on, which has been programmed with a NeoPixel script from Adafruit. So, I'm going to hold that in place with my strategically placed reel of lead solder. I'm going to turn the desk lamp off. Proper big live moment now. There we go. Hand over the sensor. And I've got to wait a little while for it to settle. PIR sensors need a little time to settle. So I'm also just checking as well that it's plugged in. Oh yeah, lights come on. Go on, there we go. So it's detected the darkness and the movement. Beep beep from the car outside. They like the project. NeoPixels, controlled by a £5 Poundland PIR sensor and a 90p Tiny. I'm going to have to do a write-up for this now, aren't I? This was just a bit of fun to test my pine power supply and the soldering iron and make a little project. Because I've not done any projects for ages. But yeah, it works and I'm happy. So this can be applied to a big, what's the word? Lots of NeoPixels in a big string, a chain of them. You have to supply your own external power, 5 volts for it. Because you can't supply all of it from the Tiny, it'll blow it up. But yeah, this could be something for Christmas, Halloween, holiday season, just making your house nice and bright. I'll write it up and I'll let you know when it comes out. Anyway, cheers.